Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by factoring each number into primes. Concentrate on 2 and 5 because they create trailing zeros. For each factor, add its exponent to a running total for 2s and for 5s. Do this now for every factor in the product, listing exponents beside each term. Once done, you will have two totals, total number of 2s and total number of 5, which are the main ingredients for the final zero count. Now combine the totals. The number of trailing zeros equals the minimum of total 2 and total 5 because each zero needs one of each. Make sure to convert composite factors like 10 or 100 into their prime exponents to add correctly. For instance, 100 contributes 2 2s and 2 5s. Also, ignore primes other than 2 and 5 since they do not create trailing zeros. Once finished, you'll have the exact zero count for the product. Finish by verifying sums and writing zeros equals min total 2s, total 5s. If you are working with factorials or large products, use the floor sum method. Sum floor, n/5k for 5s, and similarly for 2s if needed. Make sure to recalc any composite term you might have split incorrectly. If numbers disagree, double-check where you may have missed a factor of 5. It's the common culprit. Correcting that usually resolves discrepancies quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.